What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're taking a look at Smooth Love Potion road to $1. Guys, can Smooth Love Potion get to $1? At the point of recording the video, guys, one Smooth Love Potion is going for $0.005947. It has a market cap of $31 million. Can it go to $1? Guys, we're looking at the Smooth Love Potion dollar price chart. We're looking at the Smooth Love Potion market cap chart. We also look at SLP against Ethereum, SLP against Bitcoin, and then we'll look at the SLP dominance chart. And guys, we'll be using all the information in this chart to formulate our thesis. Can it still get to $1 in this bull run? Would ALTSEASON still happen? First, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, at the point of recording this video, SLP is up 39% in the last 24 hours. It's down 47% in the last 1 week, 64% in the last 1 month, and it's down 96.5% in the last 1 year. Can you go back to its all-time high, guys? You can see we have a very green day in the crypto market today. It looks as if the market has bottomed. You can see a lot of coins are pumping. In the top 200, Satimana is up 75%, and if you go to the top 100 coins too, you will see that most of the coins are up. The Lunar USD situation, is it over? Will it continue dragging us down? Is this just a dead cat bounce, guys? Should we be getting some Smooth Love Potion? Because right now it's at its all-time low. Like, even after the pump it has pumped, it's still at the low. The lows we set and the last dump was the all-time low for SLP. Right now, anybody that still back holding SLP is probably at a loss. So if you bought SLP at this region, you got it at a very, very cheap price. That is if you're going to pump. But guys, let's look at the past. As SLP actually gone very low and pumped back. Let's look at 13th January 2021. Guys, guess what SLP did? SLP went up over 3,000%. Can you do that again? Guys, it's very, very possible. It can do that again. If it goes 3,000% from its current position, you see, we're not even actually to our all-time high. If it goes 3,000% from its current position, we're actually where we were on the 6th of November 2021. That's just some few months back. So there's really plenty upside to SLP right now, and I would not advise you to come and put all your life savings. But guys, the risk to reward ratio on this coin is actually awesome, except you believe that SLP is going to zero, the crypto market is over, the bull run is over, there's no alt season. But if you believe that the crypto market is not over and everybody that sold at some point in time, all the people that were afraid, will come and become greedy again, and the risk to reward is actually very, very good. Because for us to just go back to where we were in November 2021, that's a 3,000%. For us to go back to the all-time highs, guys, that's almost 100x. You can legitimately turn a $1,000 investment to almost $100,000. Guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what the chart is saying. If we go back to an all-time high for SLP, that's how high we can go, guys. And SLP has a market capitalization of 5.3 billion coins. That means for it to go to $1, it means SLP has to go to a market cap of 5.3 billion. But what's the all-time high for SLP, guys? The all-time for SLP is not even up to $1. We're just asking it to go up to 0.3. So it doesn't even need to go that high. SLP just needs to get to a market cap of over $2 billion. If you look at the SLP market cap chart, you can see that since when SLP came into the market, it bottomed here. It has actually been increasing on its market cap chart. It went up over 56,000% on its market cap chart. Now, since it topped, it has actually bottomed and lost over 92%. Now, if it goes back to its all-time high on the market cap chart, because most times it's the market cap chart you really want to be looking at, because the price chart can actually deceive us. How high can SLP go? It's telling us that on the market cap chart, if SLP increase by a valuation of 1,100%, it means we're going to the all-time high on the market cap chart, and I'll expect the price to actually have a resistance around there. So if you calculate 1,100% up, you see that around this region, we might come around this region, and this is where we might find resistance. Can SLP pump 1,200%? Guys, only time will tell. The risk to reward is actually there, but guys, don't put any life-changing money. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. You can make your own decisions by yourself. But I still believe SLP in the future can get to $1. Even though the all-time high for SLP is 0.3, I still believe we can go to $1 in the future. Guys, SLP market cap chart, if it actually can range and break into all-time highs, I think we'll see one final pump. Maybe we'll see SLP going as high as 5.6 billion. Can you do that? It's very, very possible. Currently, the market cap is at $32 million, a measly $32 million. And just as late as when? Just as late as February, SLP was worth over 160 million. So even for us to just get where we were some 2 months back, we have to pump almost a 5x. Yes, we have to pump almost a 5x from the bottom. See, over a 6-7x self for us to just get where we were in February 12, 2022. Will this set a new all-time high? Only time we tell, guys. Smooth love portion against Ethereum is at an all-time low. So if you are flipping your Ethereum for some smooth love portion right now, you'll be getting the best deal ever. Should you be doing that, guys? You have to make those decisions for yourself. I believe Ethereum has gone on its full run. I don't think Ethereum is going to go to around 6,000 or probably 5,000. If Ethereum can possibly get 5,000, people will be very lucky. I believe we're in the ending stages of the bull run. So if you want to be getting those mad returns on your profit, or because maybe you missed Ethereum bull run and you still want to get profits, you want to be in these altcoins, and with this one of those altcoins that the risk to reward is just really awesome. It's just what 30 million is, a small cap. So to pump, for the coin to pump is actually not really hard. All it needs is just some mad days of pump, and next thing you know, the coin is a 300 million market cap project, and that's a 10x from where we are right now. Will you do that? Only time we tell. Remember, guys, investing in cryptocurrency is very, very tricky, very, very volatile. We have huge swings to the upside, huge swings to the downside. Look at the people that flip their Bitcoin for SLP at the top right side. They lost over 98% of their Bitcoin. Even the guys that actually flip their Ethereum for SLP at the top right side, they have lost over 98%. Buying at the lows, or do you want to be buying at the top? You have to make a decision for yourself. You can see SLP has actually done it before. It has lost 96% of its value against Ethereum, and guess what, guys? It went up again and pumped over 2,000%. Against Bitcoin, guess what SLP did too? It also lost over 96% of its value against Bitcoin, and what did it do after that? It went up and popped over 4,000% against Bitcoin. Right now, guys, it has lost another 98% of its value against Bitcoin and Ethereum. What do you think will happen? Will it continue losing value like Luna? It's very, very possible. Luna has actually showed us that a chart can actually go to zero. A coin can actually go to zero. It's very, very possible, but I don't think this coin is dead. I just believe the market is actually scared. People are in extreme fear right now. People are scared. Smooth love portion dominance is actually at a low. It actually set a new low in the last 1 year. This is the lowest smooth love portion dominance I've been in the last 1 year, but you can see that the pump we had today have taken us back right up. Dominance in the market is 0.002, a very tiny percent of the total crypto market. Just 30 million, guys. If it goes to 300 million, that's a 10x. If it goes to 3 billion market cap, that is a 100x. The risk to reward is really wonderful, guys. Tell me in the comment section, do you think SLP can get to $1, or do you even think it can just go back to its all-time high? Its all-time high is in 0.3. For it to go back to its all-time high from where we are right now, SLP will have to go up over 6,400%. Is that possible? Am I just selling hopium? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.